Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Lockheed Martin is an aerospace and defense contractor company within the industrial sector. The stock price has not appreciated well compared to the S&P 500 over the last 5 years. Let's briefly analyze the company's fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 7.2%, thumbs up. Earnings growth, 13.5%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 8.2%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 34.67%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, 2.41, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.91%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 38.9%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 9.38%, thumbs up. Growth years, 19 years, thumbs up. 10 out of 10 thumbs up. Did you see that coming? You might want to look closer on Lockheed Martin for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a nice day.